Hey guys, it's me, Beauty Glamour here. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a quick spring makeup look. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight into this video. So first thing is first, I'm going to take off my glasses. I've already put my hair back. So to kick off this quick little makeup look, I'm going to be applying this tinted hydrator that I got Wet and Wild. So I'm just going to put a few drops of this in my hand and then get into it. Of course, if you are using your hands to do any type of like face makeup or just any makeup in general, do make sure that your hands are clean. Okay. So I'm just going to dab this around my face, just so it's a little bit easier for me to apply it. Okay. Obviously, when using like foundations or like tinted hydrators, it is good to get one that matches your skin color pretty close. It doesn't have to be an exact match, but close enough that it doesn't really look like you are wearing any type of like foundation or any makeup like that. Okay. There. And obviously you can apply like foundations or hydrators with your hands or a brush. I'm doing my hands because I just find it easier to apply away, but do what is comfortable for you. Okay. You really want to blend this in as you can. Okay. So now I will get on to my eyes. Okay, so now I am going to move on to my mascara, and for the mascara I'm going to use the Wet n Wild's Mega Protein Mascara, and this is what it looks like. Okay. And for my eyeshadow, I am going to be using two different eyeshadows. So one eye is going to have one color and then my other eye is going to have another color. So yeah. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptations Shadow and Highlighter Palette, and for this look I'm going to use the purple shadow right there. So that nice kind of light purple one is the one I'm going to use. And one tip I did want to give is with your makeup, especially if you're just like a beginner in this, I would definitely recommend that you keep your makeup where like you pretty much get ready in. So for some people that may be their bathroom, but for me that's my bedroom. My makeup is very close to the area in which I change in. So yeah. And I would kind of recommend you just like keep all your makeup together. Some people don't. Some may keep like their face products like in the bathroom and stuff. I just, you keep it all together where you are pretty much getting ready in the morning. Yeah. Oh, shiz. Got a little eyeshadow on my pant leg. So what types of shows do you guys like to watch now? For me, I like to watch like The Amazing Race, which just ended, Survivor, which is starting today, which is awesome. I'm also getting into like shows like Call Me Kat. I love Food Network shows. I watch Chipped and just a lot of the Food Network shows. I definitely like. Oh shiz. Oh. Okay. I just made a little bit of a mistake. So it's no biggie. I'm just gonna take off the eyeshadow that I had applied to this side. Let me just apply a little bit more to this. This is kind of a very like light lash color, eyeshadow color, so I do apologize if you really can't see it all that. Okay, I think that is good. So now I'm just gonna clean up my brush a little and move on to the other eyeshadow color, which is from the Color palette, and it's just kind of a nice light pink, a light purple with a nice light pink for spring. Thought I would, change it up a little this year. Okay. And this is the color in the Color Workshops palette that I am going to be using. Okay. So, what type of shows are you guys watching? And also